Once upon a time, in a small town filled with noise and routines, lived a young developer named Noor. She wasn't the smartest in her class, nor the fastest at solving math problems. But Noor had something rare. Passion. A fire in her heart that whispered, "You can build worlds with code." Every night, when the world slept, Noor sat by the dim glow of her old laptop. Her internet was slow, her resources limited, but her imagination was endless. She believed that every line of code was like a brushstroke on the canvas of the future. The struggles, but the path wasn't easy. Sometimes her programs failed, and error messages filled her screen like storms. Her family worried, saying, "Why spend so much time on a computer? Maybe you should give up." Friends moved ahead with fancy jobs, while Noor sat with bugs in her code. On many nights, she cried in silence, her hands trembling above the keyboard. She wondered, "Am I even good enough? Should I stop?" The turning point one evening, as Noor sat frustrated. She remembered something her teacher once said. "Passion is stronger than talent. Talent fades when things get hard, but passion makes you rise again." Those words lit a spark inside her. The next morning, she created a rule for herself. No matter how many times code broke, she would fix it once more. No matter how many people doubted her, she would believe in herself twice as much. And no matter how small her progress, she would celebrate it. The rise. With time, Noor grew stronger. She built small apps, then bigger ones. She joined online communities, met other dreamers, and learned from them. Her first big project was a simple health tracker for her mother. When her mom used it and smiled, saying, "This really helps me," Noor realized something powerful. Coding wasn't just about logic. It was about love, helping people, touching lives, and leaving light in the world. Soon, her projects reached others. Strangers thanked her. Employers noticed her. She wasn't just a developer anymore. She was a creator, a problem solver, a dreamer. Moral of the story: Noor's journey teaches us, passion is the fire that keeps you moving when everything else tries to stop you. Success isn't about never failing. It's about refusing to quit. And in the end, true developers don't just build apps. They build hope. Noor's name meant light. And through her code, she became exactly that. A light for herself and for others.